Hello guys, Shafkat here and welcome to my channel, and today I will show you the changes that has been made in the YouTube app. So let's get started. So if we go to the YouTube app, you can see here at the bottom all the icons has been changed. It's the Google's new material design. All the icons here look pretty good, and you can see here the bell icon or the notification bell has been changed to the similar design. So if we click any video here, you can see here there are major changes in the player itself. The autoplay has been moved onto the player along with caption, so you can just click on the caption or just unpress it to close the captions. And also you can hear autoplay is on and click back to turn it off. So there are many changes. You can see here all the icons, that like button, dislike button, share button and save to playlist button has been changed. There's also change if you go to the description, it will just pop up another page that will show you another description. So there are many changes in the player itself. So if you want to go to the full screen, you can either click on the button here, or you can just swipe up on the video to make it full screen, or you can just close it by swiping down. So these are the changes that has been made in the YouTube app. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. See ya.